That's exactly what I'm gonna say. What's up, y'all?
Wish you were here.
They're trying to tell me how to do my intro, but that's all right. We setting up out here for the Toa Afi. Check it out. It's going down. And just like last time, check out some of the prep work that went into it. And on our way to rehearse and check out some of this footage from the show, yo.
Ori Hiti Mahana Polynesia.
Taiti,
were the one I dreamed of in my life. I've been charmed by your beauty. Your sweet smile dazzled me. I am mesmerized, inspired by your love. I'm crazy about you. But this love is impossible.
That was that part of the performance. Tell them what's up.
I'm the only girl. We're gonna kill it anyways, like I'm not.
That's right. Sierra's gonna represent out there in the competition, doing it good. Just out here warming up. Check it out. Got our boy Rocco over there. Say what's up, bro. So yeah, we're gonna keep warming up, getting ready for the rest of the evening. Check this out.
Make some noise for Sierra Kobu.
Events tonight, y'all. The whole thing. My man Matuni right here putting it down.
Hey, that's us, man. For the community, man. You know, we all get together, we all collab and make this beautiful thing happen for our community. And it's good to see everyone. It's good to come together. I love it.
Absolutely. So, like I said, come down Toa Afi every year.
Yeah, every year.
Yeah. So let's get back to the show. do you got, Dan?
Look what we got, guys.
Their favorite.
Logo at the bottom.
The champs. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Amy!
Oh, it's your birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Hi.
Say what's up.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, I'm on Just Cam. I'm on fitness now. Thank you, Jack. Thank you. Oh, word.
Sir.
Oh, busted.
Yeah, y'all know how we gotta do after the show. We come back, family time. Look at this. Bought up every 7-Eleven pizza.
All of them.
Yes, 7-Eleven. Yeah, we're just gonna continue to do this until whenever. Oh, thank you, babe. Look at this.
We're gonna get 7-Eleven hot dogs too?
Yes.
I got
Man, so I don't know if we just got carried away last night or what it was, but we never recorded a closing for this video. So didn't know it till I'm editing here now. To everybody that had a hand in putting together and coordinating Toa Afi 2021, and to all of those who came out to support, thank y'all so much. Coming from our family to you, thank you. Means a lot. If you want some more videos on that, here's one right here. Just click that. That's one of our gigs. If you missed it before, if you like what you see here and you want to subscribe, click this right here. But we'll see if we can't make one for some family time on Thanksgiving. So till next time, y'all. Peace.